Every second matters in patient care. When critical imaging data is locked away in isolated systems, vital answers are delayed, and that delay can change everything. Artificial intelligence is transforming the future of healthcare, and medical imaging is at the forefront of this transformation. The Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA breaks down barriers between systems, bringing imaging data together in one seamless, unified solution. Providers gain faster access to the insights they need, enabling critical decisions with confidence and speed. AI doesn't just speed up the process, it sharpens it. NVIDIA accelerated computing processes imaging data with unmatched precision, while Dell PowerEdge servers provide the scalable, reliable infrastructure needed to handle the massive data demands of modern healthcare. Together, they detect critical details that might otherwise go unseen, empowering providers to diagnose earlier and with greater accuracy. For patients, this changes everything. It means less waiting, less uncertainty, and care that's tailored to their unique needs. It means better outcomes, faster recoveries, and hope. Dell PowerEdge servers with NVIDIA AI infrastructure are purpose-built to advance medical imaging. Designed to handle the demands of modern healthcare, this technology transforms workflows, accelerates diagnoses, and improves lives. Because in healthcare, every second saved is a life changed.